Hey, what you doing? You ain't doing nothing anyway. You just sitting around looking at home, doing nothing, looking at your phone when you could be making some money. Go ahead, download those apps right there. Yeah, you see them. Oh, you don't like free money? What's wrong with you?
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. Where's the money?
Hey, peace family, what's going on? It's Cornez with Too Smart to Be Broke. I want to thank you for coming to the channel today, okay? Check me out, man. We're going to make it short, simple, sweet, and if it's your first time here, though, I do talk a lot about business credit, making money online, and entrepreneurship, and I like to put a disclaimer. I ain't nobody's guru, you feel me? I'm a brother just like you, trying to figure some things out, work my way out in this matrix. You know, it's so much information. I'm trying to learn, piece this and that together. But with that being said, I do know like a smidge, like bit. But anyway, if you haven't checked out my step-by-step business credit video, check that out, man, because I'm probably going to do a 2.0, and then that's not going to be free because things changing up. And it is what it is. I put a lot of my time, energy, and effort, man, and it's only right that it's reciprocated. So with that, please make sure y'all like, share, and subscribe. But let's get into this formal rant, because I did a couple of rants on the Facebook and it was janky, so this looks a little better. Okay, so let's this to my people that's here. Okay, so if you're here and you rocking with me, I appreciate you, because I feel like you my tribe. All right, you my people. We come from a long line of royalty and warriors. So you know what happens when there's a problem? We solve it because we're good at math. So with that being said, look, unless you elderly, unless you sickly, and unless you a child, there's no reason for you not to be putting in that effort to being the best version of yourself. And there's no reason to be, you got to get out that victimized mentality. Okay? If you're in that mentality, you point fingers all the time, you're going to be stuck in that loop. Got to get up off that loop, realize who you are and what's inside of you. I done realized my thing here to do is to plant a seed with you. And then you take that seed, if it resonates with you, to water it and nurture it, and now you're fruitful in the mind, and now you have the ability to go out and perceive the world in a different manner, because you started thinking for yourself, you started asking questions, you started searching, and now you're not looking at the world like everybody else, and you know that you create your own situation of everything that goes on around you and within you. As above, so below; as below, so above. And I did tell you I go look up the 7 Hermetic Principles, the book, The Kabbalion. I put a link down below if you want to go check that out. All right. But look, with that being said, family, look, there's people out here winning right now, and there's people out here struggling. Which one you gonna be? All right. Which one you gonna be? Pick a lane, get to it, stick to it, get busy. Period. End of discussion. All right. So I just got off a 21-day water fast not too long ago. So my clarity is kind of like coming to me. I got some things I got to kind of push to the side out of my life, but I really want to take the time, come here and focus on you, focus on my people, and come here more and really build with y'all. Okay, so make sure y'all drop down in the comments and see what y'all would like to see from me or whatnot. All right. And I told y'all once before that I had some things going on, but I'm gonna let y'all peek in and see now. And if y'all want to rock with me, y'all can rock with me. But with that being said, look, free money, I know I'm going to tell y'all about this, okay? Because, look, if you don't do it, maybe you making enough money and you come here because you're looking for some quick tips and tricks and trying to get you some business credit. Look, I done gave you everything I got. I'm not really holding nothing back with that. I mean, there's a few things going on, but anyway, I'm going to talk to you like this, at least for your kids' sake. The 16, 17-year-olds ain't got no reason not to be on YouTube or Instagram or something making money, because they probably on there anyway. And you need to be telling them about these apps like Dodge and Rakuten and Chime and Flues and MetaPay and all this stuff they actually get money for, because they on their phones anyway. They need to go ahead and monetize, okay? Because we ain't got time to sit around here. We all too smart to be broke. You understand me? Especially if you're here. Look at it. Hey, what you doing? You ain't doing nothing anyway. You just sitting around looking at home, doing nothing, looking at your phone when you could be making some money. Go ahead, download those apps right there. Yeah, you see them. Oh, you don't like free money? What's wrong with you? I'm gonna have to bring that character back for y'all. Y'all remember that dude? So anyway, there's no reason that your kids shouldn't at least be using them apps, okay? Period. There's a bunch of different ways. I'm gonna have to do some training and showing y'all how to really move out here and get it, okay? When it comes to this online platform, there's so many different lanes. You can be on YouTube and you can be yourself. You feel me? You can be yourself. You can be yourself. You just have to figure out how to monetize it and express it in a way that that caters to that specific audience, man. And we might have to run over that, you know what I mean? But y'all let me know what y'all want to hear about on this channel, okay? If you want to know, one of the ways I make recurring income is in the link below. But as I said, family, you don't have to do nothing with me. But what you do need to do is you need to be doing something with yourself. You ask yourself that question, okay? All right? Because paying your bills is a responsibility. But being poor, that's a choice. Peace.
I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke. I'm too smart to be broke.
Where's the money?